mahirap mang sabihin pero laging nangyayari. No? Kasi nga tao tayo eh. We are doubting really ourselves. At saka sometimes even there are person na nag-a-uplift sa iyo. At the end of the day, ikaw pa rin yun mag-a-absorb eh. Lagi tayong may doubt. Pero sabi ko nga po, when you doubt yourself, just pray. Kasi hindi ka naman ginawa ng Diyos para i-doubt lang ang self mo eh. You are born for a reason. And this is the reason.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to iPass Online Review and Mentoring Academy. My name is John, and I'll be your host for tonight. So, here at Hope Talk, we invite successful iPass Online Review candidates in the NCLEX to share their wonderful stories and learnings from their journey in achieving the goals of becoming registered nurses in the USA, Canada, and Australia. Stepping into the nursing profession takes courage, perseverance, and a deep sense of purpose. Passing the NCLEX exam is proof of these traits. And today, we celebrate an individual whose hard work and commitment have led to this remarkable accomplishment. And with that, we would like to welcome our newest NGN passer, Miss Ana Liza Dinglasan, USRN.
Hi po.
Hi, Miss Ana. So, diyan po
Hi
kayo
po.
sa Saudi Arabia po, tama po ba?
Yes. Sir, Apo, I was here currently working in Jisan area actually.
So, Ma'am Ana, kamusta naman po ang feeling after you passed your NCLEX?
Happy and grateful and thankful to God especially sa pagtulong niya po sa akin na makapasa po sa NCLEX exam.
Is this your first time po ba to take the NCLEX?
Yes, sir. Yes, first timer po ako. And lucky enough po to pass the NCLEX board exam.
Yes. And this is a good testament, no? Even first-timers can really pass the NCLEX exam. So we will know from the journey of Miss Anna kung paano niya ba na-ace ang examination. So Miss Anna, we are really excited to know you better. Could you share us more of your educational background, your working experiences leading up to your NCLEX preparation?
Okay, sir. Actually, I'm a graduate of batch 98 nursing board. So you can count my age now. Actually, I'm 47 years old. This year, I will be 48. I work in the Philippines for roughly 2 years only. And by the way, I am not a first taker in a Philippine Nursing Board exam. I failed for my first take. That was mid-June, June, I think, if I'm not mistaken, of 1998. But unfortunately, I didn't pass the exam. Then, if you fail the exam, you don't have this, yung self-confidence mo ba? Actually, my self-confidence really is I was down then, but down in the sense that I didn't stop. I worked, but not in the hospital. I work as a private duty nurse, roughly 4 years like that. Then on 2002, and because also no, I am the eldest of the four siblings. I have three more siblings studying, and my mom is the one financing our studies. So graduating from nursing, and you know how much it cost. So she told me, actually, she supported me from the very first until my board exam, everything, pagbayad ng fees and everything. But then she told me that time that she cannot finance for the next exam because really it cost you a lot also. Lalo na pag mag-board exam ka sa Manila kasi I am from Batangas City. So pupunta ka ng Manila to pay for everything, school, for the exam, tapos magbo-board and lodging ka pa ganyan, or magbo-board ka. So really, it will cost you a lot. So she told me she cannot finance. Then I told her, it's okay. I will work and hopefully I can save. But really, for me that time, I don't like to take an exam. I told myself I can work as a private duty nurse or I can work in a home for the aged like that. Then 2002, I took again an exam because my sister, she passed licensure exam for pharmacist. She calls me. Sabi niya, ate, baka time na natin ngayon. Mag-try ka. Sabi ko, actually before that they are telling, bakit hindi ka ulit kumuha? Sabi ko, takot na ako eh. Talagang wala na akong kumpiyansa sa sarili kung maipas ako. Then after that, I don't know why. Then I have a savings actually. It's 30,000 pesos. I saved 30,000 pesos. Then I said, this can be enough for my review and everything. Kasi pupunta na naman ako ng Manila. Then, nung nag-inquire ako, yeah, my money is enough naman to cater everything. So, to make the story short, I got it on 2002. Then after getting my license, I applied in the hospital in Batangas City, also in Lipa, and practice nursing as an operating room staff nurse. Then everything is a history. After that, I came here, and then until now, I am here in Saudi Arabia from 2004 until now. So it will be 21 years on May 2025.
Grabe, ma'am. So ever since 2004, you have been working as a staff nurse in a hospital.
Yes po.
Grabe, amazing. And when did you move to Saudi Arabia naman? And what made you decide to move to Saudi and earn experience po?
Actually, sir, I moved here since 2004.
And
I
then,
moved
ma'am, yun
since
na po yung
2004.
ano na talaga, work experience natin all throughout from 2004 to
Yes.
current dyan sa Saudi Arabia.
Yes. Yes po. I was here in Saudi Arabia na po.
And ano yung decision naman? Why did you take up NCLEX?
Actually, no, I have a lot of application. Nag-a-apply ako before ng mga bata-bata pa. And America really, yung retrogression noon, 10 taon bago ka maka-penetrate. Or ano ka pa, tawag dito, pag nakapasa ka pa ng CGFNS, napakadaming exams actually before bago ka makapunta sa America as a nurse. And exam, pera, at lahat-lahat na. Kasi wala naman akong immediate family na mag-petition sa akin as a nurse. Even yung magpipetition sa iyo as a minor, and knowing na hindi ka na minor for petition na
Mm.
makater as a petitioner, so really para bang noon talaga suntok sa buwan ang makapenetrate as a nurse sa Amerika. So nito, recently, nag-open sila ng door. Actually, not only America is opening the doors for the nurses. Worldwide, talagang nabawasan ng nurses. Kailangan ng nurses. And my friends here actually, they are telling me, ate, why can't you review for NCLEX? Lagi kong sinasabi, tanda ako na dyan. Mag-aaral na naman ako. Imagine, way back 2000, I was 21 when the last time na nag-school ako. Tapos, yung 2002 na nag-nursing review ako.
PNLE.
After that, iba naman kasi ang setting ng working and you are doing something. Tapos, na-stagnate ka na doon, di ba? Siguro nakukuha niyo yung ano ko. Sabi ko, ewan, sabi ko wala ako sa balak talaga na kumuha ng flex exam. Then one of my colleague, Michelle, talks to me. Sabi niya, ate, wala ba talagang balak mag-NCLEX? Sabi ko, wala. At saka wala din akong pera. Lagi ko yung sinasabi kasi I'm the only one earning for the family. I have 2 kids. So, being a mom, working abroad, tapos lahat ng pera mo pinadadala mo sa Pinas for their finances. So parang wala na talagang matitira sa iyo kundi yung pangkain mo na lang, ganun ba? Then a lot of things that you have to finance in the Philippines, kailangan mong magbayad ng ganito, ganyan. And then sabi niya, ate, ano ba? Wala ka talagang balak? Sabi ko, wala. Sabi ko ganyan. Then last year, sabi niya, te, ano, nagre-review ako. Actually, she's so quiet for everything, pero she shared it to me. Ate, nagre-review ako, kukuha ako ng exam ganito, ganyan. Pero hindi niya sinabing kukuha siya ng exam. So, sabi ko sa kanya, okay, sige, try ko rin nga. Sabi kong ganyan, mag-review. Pero hindi ko talaga alam kung ano magiging kalalabasan nito kasi hindi ko na alam kung may neurons pa ba ako. Sabi ko for studying. Sabi niya, meron yan. Napaka positive thinker ng batang yun. Meron yan, T. Kaya mo yan, T. Lagi yan siya sa ganyan, kaya ko. Sabi ko, ikaw naman lahat na kaya ko. Hindi ko na nga kaya. Sabi ko ganyan. But to cut that story short again, decide ako na kukuha ako ng NCLEX. Pero ito na ngayon, sabi ko, magse-self-review ako. Para yatang imposible ah. Sabi kong ganyan, paano ko isisingit sa aking trabaho? Sabi kong ganyan, una sa lahat trabaho. Sabi ko, may mai-recommend ko ba sa akin na na review center? Sabi niya, tinapakadami, pumili ka na. Sabi niya ganyan. Tapos may isa rin akong friend na nurse dito sa Saudi. She's my closest friend way back before sa previous hospitals ko pa. Actually, godmother yan ng anak kong isa. Sabi ko, Sai, ano bang review center ang mai-recommend mo sa akin? Although, ang dami kong nakikita. Sabi ko ganyan. Sabi niya, te, yung iPass, ang daming nakapasa dyan. Ang daming friends ko din na enrollees na nakapasa dyan. Sabi ko, wait nga. Sige, pag-iisipan ko. Sabi kong ganyan sa kanya. Tsaka, hindi lang yan nag-aano, as a review center, tumutulong din yan ng pag-process ng mga papers, ganito, ganyan. Sabi ko, oo, isa rin yun kasi sa reason eh. Malayo ako, how can I process my papers? Di po ba? So, ayun, nag-decide ako na mag-IPAS and mag-inquire sa inyo. Actually, it's a bit pricey. But fortunately, actually, may money akong extra na dumating because I did some works here. So, sabi ko everything has a reason. Bakit ako may pera? Bakit ko kayang i-finance ang self ko with iPass? Sabi ko ganyan, hindi rin naman maliit na pera eh. Ang ipalalabasin mo talaga. Sabi ko, okay, sige na nga. Sabi ko ganyan. Magre-review na nga ako. Ang pipilit nyo eh. Pero really, to tell you frankly, maybe ngayon, may mga friends ako na nakakakita ng ating
Live.
talk. Ngayon lang nila malalaman. Kasi even my family, I didn't tell my family that I am taking an NCLEX and until now, they don't know that I passed the NCLEX exam. So, maybe somebody now will know. And my friends, who I don't really know, na ganito nga, na nakapasa ako sa NCLEX exam with the help of IPAS, of course.
And would you say, Miss Anna, that all of the expenses that you have spent are all worth it?
Course, of course, of course. And even all the hard days, all the tears, and everything, really, it helps a lot. Really, really. And the prayers that you ask for God, really, really, it helps a lot. At ang maganda kasi, sir, sa inyo, no? Sorry. You're holistic. Hindi lang ba you're feeding our minds? Andyan ang yung mga mentors natin. They're so really blessed talaga. Yung pakikipag-usap mo sa kanila, although after makipag-usap, iiyak ka. Kasi
Ah,
talaga mahirap. At saka nakaka-exhaust talaga, sir, sa totoo lang.
I understand where you're coming from. No? I know this is a humble experience para sa inyo. Kasi hindi naman talaga biro ang pera na i-spend natin. And
Opo.
somehow,
Opo.
you don't know what's gonna happen eh. Parang it's part of your investment in
Mhm.
the future. So, I
Yes
get
po.
the fact na you're also a breadwinner, parehas po tayo.
Mhm.
Apat din kami magkakapatid, like you. So, I know yung feeling na you have to send money back to the Philippines then to help your family. And most especially ngayon may dalawang anak na kayo. Another
Yeah.
expenses din siya, no? But again, hindi naman dumatatapos. It will not, parang nilabas mo yung sarili mo sa isang routine that you can get out from there. Di ba? With the great support system that you have then, somehow they have already encouraged you to have a leap of faith, to try something much more better that what you can earn sa current job natin. So, I'm really
Yes,
happy
opo.
with those people who surrounds you. So, thank you po kila Ma'am Michelle and so on. Without them, hindi nyo malalaman si iPass, di ba?
Yes, opo.
Ano talaga yung words of mouth talaga ang sagot din talaga. So, Ma'am, during your first time taking the NCLEX, no? What was your biggest fear before taking the examination? And how did you
Okay.
overcome those things?
Biggest fear ko talaga, sir, ay yung bumagsak na naman. Siyempre yun talaga, no? Kasi we want to pass. Una sa lahat nga, sabi nga ninyo, talagang pera. Pag hindi ko yung nakuha for now, then I can have a finances to take it again. Yun ang una eh. So, yun ang biggest fear ko. At saka sabi ko, paano ba to? Pag hindi ko nakuha, ano na naman ang iisipin ko sa sarili ko? Yung self-confidence mo ba? Siyempre, no? Even with this age of mine, talagang tatamaan ka ng ganun eh. Kung hindi mo makuha ang isang bagay na pinapangarap mo. That's why I'm quiet. I don't like somebody to know. It's not that I don't like to share. That is not actually the reason behind. Kaya lang, sometimes kasi, alam nyo ba yun yung, if everybody knows what you are doing, hindi naman lahat ng taong nakangiti sa'yo ang nasa isip niyan is positive eh, that this girl can do it. Ibabagsak. Talagang may mga taong ganun eh. We cannot, I'm not against what, ganun sila eh. We cannot change them. It's either na you have to embrace them or to live away from them. So, mas mainam sa akin yung walang may alam. Very few people ang may alam sa binabalak ko sa buhay ko. So, it's better na gano'n na lang.
I understand where you're coming from, ma'am. No? Kasi minsan, yung tinatawag natin na fear of the unknown, we
Yeah.
don't know what to expect, di ba? If we're gonna pass or if we're gonna fail
Yeah.
the NCLEX exam. Yung pressure din to pass, di ba? Kasi
Yes.
marami sa atin, no, we thought that eto na yung endpoint natin. Like, for example, we are working overseas. Like for me in
Mm-hmm.
Singapore, like for you, Saudi Arabia. Yung we thought na we feel na enough na. We are contented of where we at right now, di ba? So we don't need the NCLEX. May mga ganun eh. We respect those people. But
Yes, yes.
again, don't stop dreaming. You have so
Ah,
much potential in. And that's what I admire most about you, Miss Anna. Talagang nilaban mo.
po.
Regardless of age na binabanggit mo, regardless of your working experience, you work through it. You work hard through it talaga. And hindi naman talaga
Salamat
mawawala yung
po.
fear po, di ba? We understand that
Mhm.
fear, yung ano naman siya talaga, natural response. Yung mga this kind of
Being a
situations.
human.
But,
Being a human talaga po. Ganon. You have
yeah.
fear of something. You have fear of unknown. Ganon talaga yata nga ang tao.
And again, you're not the only one. Many successful nurses then have experienced it din talaga. So, thank you for sharing that, Miss Anna. But being an OFW po no, sa dyan sa Saudi Arabia, how were you able to manage your time, your work? Siyempre, nasa Philippines din po yung anak ninyo, no? How do you manage your time with them as well while reviewing for your NCLEX?
Hati-hati po. Minsan nga andiyan lang sila, naka-unmute ka. Parang makikita mo lang ba kung ano mga ginagawa. Ganon. Sometimes din kapag walang kaso sa OR at nasa 12-hour shift, nasa laptop na yan or nasa sa computer nagre-review, sumasali sa review or yung yun din nga maganda kasi sir sa inyo ba, meron kayong yung hindi siya live, naka-record. So really accessible and helpful yun sa amin na mga hindi nakaka-attend. But really nakakasad na hindi kami maka-attend sa live na review kasi ang sarap actually sumali sa chat na yung sa chat box ng during the review itself. Kaya lang minsan talaga yung mga matatalino mong classmate, tapos may mga, yan si Ma'am Rosana, may mga yan, yung may question, tapos mag-a-answer ka. Tapos sabi ko, ay, ba't ba naman hindi ko alam yun? Ay, kasi nga, yung madalas na mga students, mga MS, ang kanilang mga ako kasi nga sa OR, so mostly ang aking alam, very few sa medication, really, very few sa medication. And I don't know really some other things sa labas pagdating ng OR kasi wala talaga akong ibang area of experience kundi OR lang talaga. So yung mga ganun ba? Pero really it helps. Ganun. It's either na pag off mo at merong class na live, ang saya-saya ko na nun. Kaya lang minsan kasi ba, di sila nauuna, so ikaw huli. So parang ang hirap mag-jump sa ganun. So talagang hinahabol mo schedule ng iyong pagkuha na pagre-review ganun. Pero lucky enough kapag ka nakakahabol ka sa kanila, ganun ba? Ganun ang ginagawa ko noon. Basta off, walang kaso. Kung mapapatay na ako ng MOH nito. Pag walang kaso, nagre-review ako.
Hala.
Tapos pagtapos ng ating routine sa OR, wala, ganyan, nasa computer na yan ako, nakaupo, nagre-review, ganun. Hawak-hawak ang telepono in case na may emergency call for emergency case. But fortunately enough naman, bihira yung ganun. Pero talagang may time na napuputol ako sa middle ng aking pagre-review kasi may kasong dadating kahit night shift, ganyan ba? Emergency cases, ganun po.
I, al-
Handled naman.
I also wanted to appreciate ma'am no how you highlighted pala kanina yung online review that we have with iPass.
Mm.
It's correct. It's a holistic approach. That's the reason why I also enrolled with iPass online review. Kasi 'di ba, we just don't give you the information that you need. We motivate. We have the coaches around you. It's more of a community that we have. Hindi lang yung parang student and the lecturer's relationship. It's more of
Yes,
holistic
opo.
care. And
Yes.
like we also have trending topics. Now we have the new booster class and most especially
Oh,
anxiety management ni Sir Mark
yeah.
a month
Yes
prior
po.
to our examination, di ba? So we really wanted you to be prepared emotionally, physically, mentally, spiritually, everything. Psychologically, para you are already prepared for this examination. And ma'am, how many months did you prepare for your exam po?
Sir, isang taon ko sir binuno yun. Isang taon ko
Naka
sir na binuno yun. Tumaba nga po sir ako eh. Kasi talagang nagsistress eating. Sir, sa totoo lang, nag-stress eating talaga, sir. Ako ay gain at least 7 kilos, I think. Sabi ko, patay tayo nito. Paano na naman ako papayat? Really, sir, for 1 year. Actually, I enrolled November of 2023. But sabi ko sa sarili ko, mag-enroll lang ako. Then talagang kasi pabakasyon ako noon eh. Mag-i-enroll lang ako. Tapos pagkatapos niyan, kasi talaga naman, pagdating ng Pinas, hindi ka naman talaga sir makaka-focus kasi alam mo na.
Yeah.
And then after that, sabi ko, pagbalik ko, magpapaspasa na kami nito nung pagre-review, ganyan. So yun sir, nag-review ako, nag-start ako noon. Then nag-review ako when I came back. Then after that, until nitong 2004 na October, yung ganon. Natapos ko naman po lahat ng ng class. Then I took the exam last October 18 po.
For just one take. Grabe. It doesn't matter naman, no, ma'am, how many months do you have to prepare for this examination, no? But during those 1 year po, no, is it a consistent type of review? Paputol-putol?
Yes. Yes, sir. Ano yun, paulit-ulit na yun at yun po ang ginagawa ko, nagre-review, yung mga recorded, piniplay ko. Minsan nga, sir, kahit for example, syempre, hindi ka naman, may gagawin ka eh. Ikaw naman din ang
Mm-mm.
magluluto para sa sarili mo dito, maglalaba
Yeah.
para sa sarili mo dito. Minsan, sir, nakaano ako niya, naka-speakerphone. Nagtumatakbo ako. Basta naririnig ko kung ano yung pinag-uusapan. Tapos babalikan ko na yan. I-play ko ulit, ipopost ko tapos babalik ko. Tapos ipi-play ko ulit tapos uupuan ko na yan. Parang ganun naririnig ko siya tapos mamaya focus ako ulit. Ganun ang ginagawa ko po sa instead na music ang tumutugtog ay pass. Ganun po ang ginagawa ko
Gets
within
na gets kayo,
the
ma'am. Talagang diskarte rin talaga sa oras, no?
Opo. Opo, talaga pong ganun, diskarte sa oras. Kahit nga po sir, yung paglabas-labas, kasi minsan ang time ng labas at ang time, kasi hindi naman po kami katulad sa inyo dyan na you are free and open to go out. Actually, it's here naman eh, free and open to go out. Kaya lang kasi may mga time ba, at saka off time mo, kailangan mong i-manage kung anong priorities mo at gagawin mo. Kasi mamamalengke ka rin. Although we have food, but you are staying here for how many years? Same food pa rin ang kakainin mo. Of course, you have to cook something para sa'yo. So,
Oo.
mamamalengke ka, bibili ka ng ganito, ganyan, prepare mo ang food
Yeah.
mo, maglalaba, ganyan. So, while you are doing something, si IPAS andyan, background. Kung sino man ang lecturer, si Sir J, si Ma'am Rose, si Ma'am Rosana, ang dami na, si Sir Ryan. Kapag si Sir Ryan ang lecturer na, minsan tatakbo ako pabalik. Bakit sila nagtatawanan? Naiwan ako doon.
Ang saya lang din
Hinayang,
talaga, ma'am, no?
hinayang sa naiwan sa kanya. Nawala ka sa highlight. Ganun.
And during those 1 year of review po, ma'am Ana, what are the other ano po, study resources or tools na na-contribute po for your NCLEX preparation?
Actually, sir, ito pang nakakatawa. Bago ako mag-review sa iPass, bumili ako ng Sunders. Kita mo naman, sir, kung gaano kabigat si Sunders at gaano kalaki. At nakakalula kung paano mo siya ipapasok lahat sa utak mo. At parang ako napapanghinaan na ng loob sa question niyang 1 to 10, wala kang maisagot na tama.
Ah,
Sabi ko sa sarili ko, ano ba yan? Ba't mo pinasok-pasok ko ang ganitong buhay? Sabi ko, ako naman ay kumikita na. Nakakapamuhay naman ng hindi naman karangian, pero at least you can buy what you want. Yung ganun ba? Kaya lang talagang may pangarap ba tayo? So after that, tapos nakausap ko pa si Ma'am, ang coach ko, si Ma'am Tel. Sabi niya, kasi
Cristel.
si Ma'am Cristel, pag dami kasi ng, ano mo ba, na materials mo, iba-iba naman kasi talaga ang binibigay nila eh. So sabi ni ma'am, you can use Wonders if you want to for question and answer. Pero sabi ko, ma'am, sa totoo lang po, opo. Kasi ma'am, kung siya'y babasahin ko pa, ma'am, hindi ko na alam kung anong mangyayari sa akin. Sabi kong ganyan. Purely ay pass po talaga ang materials ko, sir. Si Sunders, ginawa ko na lang po, yung kanyang question and answer, each, chapters, yun na lang po ang aking ina-answeran. Ganun po ang ginawa ko. But purely, nothing. I didn't go anywhere. And by the way pala po, after that, itong yung QBank sa UWorld, may isang mabait na iPass passer din I-exam na po ako noon, sir. Maybe yung month na lang na mag-exam ako. Kasi ang ginawa ko noon, after noon, ano na lang ako, question and answer na lang po ulit ang ginagawa ko. Nag-post siya sa group namin, Cycle 12. Sabi niya, sino ang may gusto? May tira pa ako sa UWorld na QBanks na ganitong, nasa 1,000 questions pa po yata yun, sir. Sabi niya, I can give it free. And I'm fortunate enough na ako ay walang pasok noon. Gising ako sa madaling araw. Umaga dyan sa Pinas, madaling araw dito. Pwede ako ang nakakuha po. Ibinigay niya, sir, sa akin for free.
Wow.
Yung 1,000 plus na yun. I forgot her name. I am calling her. Really, really, I'm so sorry. I forgot her name. And she gave it really for me ng free lang po. Talagang maraming salamat sa kanya. At least kahit papaano, yung mga natutunan mo kung paano mag-exam ng katulad ng sa NCLEX talaga. Ganun ang ginawa niya sa akin. Tapos yun nga pong sa atin, sa NGN po, talo po.
So, are you saying, ma'am, iPass Online Review and Mentoring Academy, yung concept po doon is enough for you to pass the exam?
Yes po, lahat yun. Talagang really, really, really it's a help. And only I would want to say, no, hindi lang naman sir kayo, ikaw din sa sarili mo, tulungan mo rin ang sarili mo. Kasi kung ang iba, tinutulungan ka, at ikaw ay hindi rin naman tumutulong sa sarili mo, it's useless. Ganun po. You have to help each other, ika nga, ang student at ang lecturer, di po ba? Am I right on
Yeah.
that side?
Yes, true.
At saka, every time po na may ginagawa tayo, lagi tayo mag-ask ng help kay God. Hindi talaga imposible ang lahat. Hindi. Yan po.
That's true to
At saka,
say, ma'am.
at saka ang help po ng mga coach po. Really, the coach, oh my God. Ang ano ko kasi lahat ng fear ko talaga, si Ma'am Tel ang sinabihan ko kung anong nararamdaman ko really.
What was the best advice po na binigay sa inyo ni Coach Crystal that you have utilized po during your course of your review?
Basta ang sabi niya po sa akin, na pagka nagre-review nga po kami, or ako, na wag po yung mga patalon-talon din sa pagre-review. Yung kung dapat tapusin mo rin kung paano yung cycle, wag mong habulin yung natitirang ano pa. Kung saan ka natapos, tuloy mo lang at i-continue mo yon. Ganun ang sabi niya sa akin. At saka yun nga pong yung materials, sabi niya, it's up to you if you want to. Pero sabi niya nga, ganun din daw kasi po siya. iPass din lang daw po ang ginamit niyang review materials po. Ganun. So I followed what she said.
I can testify to that, ma'am, no? I only utilize iPass Online Review talaga na concept. So, syempre, apart from that, we have other question banks that we wanted, like what you said, no? Ginamit mo yung UWorld as a source of your question banks. And from there, ma'am, ano po yung mga naging key strategies natin in answering practice questions? Parang paano to nakatulong sa inyo in your preparation for NCLEX?
Kasi nga po, sabi niyo, yung tinuturo niyo rin po na delete mo yung hindi included na doon para nababawasan na yung pagpipilian mo. So, for example, dalawa na lang. So, most probably the one that you will choose is the right answer, yung mga ganun po. Na mga tinuturo yung mga cues sa amin. Ganun po rin ang ginawa ko. Basta lahat ng pong tinuro ng mga coaches, mga lecturers, yun, sinusunod ko po hanggat maaari.
That's good to know, Ma'am Ana. And what are your challenges po during the course of your review naman? Ano yung mga na-experience na?
Marami, sir. Actually, sir, nadidepress ako. As I told you before, no? Nag-stress eating talaga
Mhm.
ako. Kasi minsan may time na hindi ka naman laging 100% or kahit sabihin na natin hindi ka naman laging 80% sa iyong
Mhm.
ano. May mga moods ka din. Like for me, especially. Tapos, yun nga, trabaho mo. Sometimes talaga kinakain ng trabaho mo ang lahat. Tapos, after the work, yung exhausted ka na ba? And if you're exhausted, wala naman talagang papasok sa iyong utak kahit na umupo ka dyan at makinig. Really, it will not help. So, ang ginagawa ko, sir, before, well, I don't like to say na tinatamad. It's not a right term, actually. But if I'm not, really, pag hindi ako prepared physically and mentally sa review, I just pause for a while. Pero hindi ibig sabihin no, na talagang ako'y magpo-pause ng pause na pause. Kasi sinasabi ko, hoy, yung ginastos mo, isipin mo ha, ilang buwan ka na aral, babalik ka na naman sa 1. Sasabihin ko ganyan. Kumbaga naka number 5 ka na, push mo pa para makarating ka sa number 10. Yung mga ganun tipo. So minsan kausapin ang sarili na, oh, sige, galaw-galaw. May review ka, girl. Yung mga ganun po. Yun. Tapos, ayun po, naipush naman, ika nga, nairaos yung gustong marating po na
I
ganun.
think lahat naman tayo, ma'am, nagdaan dyan, no? Sa stress eating din. Or nag-gain ng weight, let's say, no? Ako talaga, aminin ko, parang every time na may lecture, kailangan meron akong something beside me to munch. Then talaga, just to feed our brain na rin. Pero make sure na kinakain natin is really healthy, no? Para naman worth it din yung,
Peanut.
di ba? Peanuts, mga ganyan din. Chocolates.
Yan po, pampagising, chocolates, at saka ang kape, best friend. Kape is life talaga. Naantok, kape.
At least, ano, no? Nakakailang kape kayo, ma'am, sa isang araw when you were reviewing po.
Ako kasi sa totoo lang talagang ako ay coffee addict. My maximum coffee intake in a day really is six cups of coffee. But it's black coffee, ha.
Ah,
With a bit of sugar. Gano'n naman po ang iniinom ko. I don't want to drink yung 3-in-1, yung gano'n. So talagang lagi yan, nakamag yan sa... Even now, you want to see what's beside me. Nakatatapos
sige
ko lang.
po. Wow, ang laki ng baso, ma'am.
Opo, pag maliit, bitin. Baka makailan ako lalo.
Oh, at least 'di ba, yung mga classmates natin ngayon can learn something from you. Ano yung mga snacks natin or iniinom natin during our review to keep us awake din talaga, no?
Yes, opo, opo. Basta yun lang po yung akin, water and coffee, because I'm not drinking anything beyond that po. Hindi ako nagsosoda na. At kung mag-juice man po ako, yung freshly squeezed na orange juice, yun po ang ginagawa.
Thank you for that advice, Ma'am Ana. Pero during those time po, no, within those 1 year po na online review, did you have any moments of self-doubt or you think you might fail, parang ganyan? Paano natin siya
Sir,
na-overcome?
sir, sa totoo, syempre, sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, aba, yung local board exam, binagsak ko ng una. So, parang kakusuntok sa buwan to pag nakuha ko agad ng isa, sabi kong ganyan. Although sabi ko sana naman ibigay kasi nga, wala, kailan ko na ulit iipunin, wala na akong pambayad. Talagang yun, sir, ang laging nasa utak ko eh. Sabi kong ganyan. So, kailangan kong mag-aral. Pero sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, although really sometimes I cry. Not sometimes, always I cry. Especially pag yung kukuha ako ng yung may post-exam, hindi ko talaga siya makuha. Sabi ko, post pa lang to ng IPAS, ganito lang ang score ko. Paano pa kaya pagka yung board exam na ng US ang nagbigay, baka ano na ang magiging score ko nito? Sabi kong ganyan. Talagang talagang pag nakakakita ka ng bagsak mong nakuha, ng iilang score mong nakuha, wala. Sabi ko, parang hindi ito worth it Yung parang ganun. Talagang wala na akong alam. Lagi mo yung term sa self mo, parang wala talaga akong alam Tapos beyond na beyond ako sa mga kasama ko. Ito pa mga kasama mo mga bata kaga-graduate or ilang years pa lang na umalis sa school. So talagang fresh na fresh pa ang kanilang mga theoretical skills. Sabi ko, Diyos mio, takoy, papasa kaya ako? Sabi kong ganyan. Parati yan, sir, parati yan.
Mm.
Parating lugmok ka, iiyak. Iiyak kang mag-isa. Wala ka namang iiyakan, iiyak ka talaga mag-isa. Pero after that ng iyak, ay di punas ng luha. Sabi ko nga, sir, ang aking ratio, ano po sa pagre-review? Madaming, madaming, madaming iyak. Kasunod nun, review at maraming, 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 maraming dasal para tulungan kang bumangon ulit sa pag-iyak mo. Ganon talaga, sir, ginawa.
I think, ma'am, it really, adds up din talaga yung spiritual guidance, most especially kapag mag-isa lang tayo sa ibang bansa. So, I know the feeling na wala tayong someone to lean on in times of difficulties, di ba? But sometimes we tend to forget na nandiyan na si God for us, talaga. So, alam niya yung pakiramdam, alam niya yung nararamdaman mo. And He just wanted to tell you that you can do it,
At
di
saka
ba?
yung time na yung nandyan, at saka sabi nga niya lagi, yung time mo ay hindi laging yung time mo ang masusunod. May time siya para sa iyo kung kailan mo niya ibibigay yung nararapat para sa iyo. Kaya just wait for your time and work for that time. Kasi
Yes.
ipoprovide mo naman yan, sir, lahat eh. Material, unang-una money. Ikaw as a person to accept na mag engage ka sa bagong ways mo sa buhay mo. Kasi talaga pong kumbaga, kung ito ang routine mo everyday, papasok ka sa pagre-review, pag-iiba ang routine mo talaga. So, yung ganun. Everything will be everything will flow kung papaano yan yung gagawin at bibigyan ka talaga niya ng wisdom and everything para magawa mo yun. Ikaw nga yung nakatadhana na para sa iyo na nakaline ni God kung papaano yun ibigay. Ganun po.
And you have to be patient din, no? In times
Opo.
of reviewing. Kasi marami din talagang students na, why do I have to study for 6 months kung kaya ko naman 3 months? If you can,
Mm.
then better. But again, sabi nga ni Sir J palagi, no? You should not underestimate NCLEX. Di
Oh,
ba?
yeah.
You really have to prepare
Don't
so
dare
much.
to, don't dare to estimate NCLEX. Talagang pagka hindi sa'yo at nawala na, wala talaga sa
Ano po yung naging
excuse.
routine natin a week prior to your examination?
A week prior. Actually, sir, hindi na ako talaga, sir, ko sumali ng class. Ano na lang po ako nung mga questions every now and then. Nag-a-answer ako ng question talaga. Yung mga question pinipili ko, yung question bang ang hahaba, tapos ang answer is isang word lang. Tapos ang question mo, isang metro kahaba. Kasi sa totoo lang, sir, ang hirap i-absorb eh. Kasi ang haba ng kwento, nasa ang tanong? Yung mga ganun po ba? So, parang ang hirap ng magbasa. Isa pa yun, parang ang hirap ng magbasa. Ano daw ang sabi? Yung mga ganong term ko, ano daw ang sabi niya? Anong tinatanong niya? Yung ganon. Tapos sir, ang sagot mo isang ganito, isang ganito, isang ganito lang hanggang letter D. Sabi ko, wow, ganito ang sagot sa ganong kahabang question. Ano? Sabi ko, parang ang hirap ah. Sabi ko ganyan talaga. Before ako sir actually kumuha ng exam, naging ano ko na yan eh, naging habit ko na yung mag-visit ako ng churches. Actually, I visited 7 churches before I took an exam. Yeah. And complete it before yung day na kukuha ako ng exam. I just stay in my place. And wala na, sabi ko, oh, bukas mag-e-exam tayo. Huwag kang tutulog sa tanghali. Kasi 2, 3 days before that, kayo nausap ako ni Ma'am Tel. Sabi niya, kasi nga, shinare ko din sa kanya kung anong plans ko before taking the exam. Sabi niya, ngayon pa lang huwag ka na matulog sa tanghali kasi para makatulog ka ng maayos sa gabi. Tapos ganito, ganyan, huwag ka nang umalis kasi mahirap din na yung may flu ka once you are taking the exam, ubo ka ng ubo so you cannot concentrate. And then you have to stay in your place, ganito, ganyan. To feed yourself and yung ano mga spirit mo na, kukuha na ako ng board, ng NCLEX exam. So this is it. God guides me, ganun, ganun po. Tapos ang maganda niyan, sir, 3 days before the exam, first time kong nakatulog sa buhay ko sa loob ng 1 taon ng mahabang tulog. Yung tipong 7 oras yata, sir, natulog or 6.5 hours. Sabi ko, oh, thanks God. Actually, I always say, Alhamdulillah, nakatulog ako ng mahaba. Kasi sir, talaga alam niyo po, yan pang isa kong naging struggle. Sa takot ko, hindi ako makatulog. Pag nakatulog ako ng 2 hours, gayon na yun. Hindi na sir ako nakakabalik. Talagang yung ano ko ba, yung takot ko nga na hindi ko alam kung saan. Hindi ko siya malabanan. I can't handle it. Although I'm handling naman. Pero talagang hindi ako nakakatulog. Then sabi kong ganyan, nung time na yun na nakatulog ako first time ng 6.5 hours. So I'm telling myself, uy, sabi ko, at least makakaano na ako nito ah. Baka bukas ganun ulit ang tulog ko ah. Ganyan until makakuha ako ng exam. But you know sir, to tell you frankly, during the day ng exam ko, yung night prior to the exam date, kasi ang kinuha kong slot, wala na kasi eh. Kasi ano ako ng IPAS ng 7 a.m. So imagine the time. Alam niyo ba sir, sa totoo lang, wala akong tulog na kumuha ng exam. Wala talaga sir akong tulog. Imagine yung 4 a.m. akong bumangon, tapos nag-soup lang ako. Tapos nagbaon ako ng paborito kong Ricoa na yung flat tops na chocolate at saka bottle ng water. Ganun lang, sir. Tapos yung mga reminders na sinabi ni ma'am na alisin, wag nang magdala, magganito, ganyan. Para hindi na hassle sa it, iisipin mo pa during sa person view ba. So, like that. Pero talaga, sir, wala ako, sir, tulog. Ni 30 minutes na tulog, wala po akong tulog na kumuha.
Oh.
Kaya sabi ko, ewan ko na lang. But sabi ko, tulungan mo po ako ganyan. Help
That's
me
why,
God
ma'am,
for
no,
you.
alhamdulillah talaga. Kasi it's really difficult, no, to take the examination without any rest at all. Pero you made it din talaga. But again, it's really important, no, at least a week prior to your exam. This is the best time for you to somehow medyo relax na dapat yung mind natin kasi you have prepared well talaga dito sa review natin. So ma'am, if you could go back, no, and give yourself an advice prior to your or before taking the NCLEX examination, ano po yung gagawin?
Actually naman sir, to tell you frankly, kung babalik ako doon, same pa rin po yung gagawin ko actually. Kaya lang siguro yung emotion mo ba, your deeper you, talagang hindi mo siya makontrol.
Hmm.
Uncontrollable eh. Yung fear talaga, it will be there. Talaga sinasabi ko po sa inyo yung takot, yung doubt mo sa sarili mo. Kahit sabihin pa yan nila ma'am lagi na, don't doubt yourself, ma'am. Kaya mo yan, ma'am. Really, alam mo yung how they talk to you, how they actually
Yeah.
to you, lahat. But really, yung talagang ika nga, yung galing sa iyo, talagang merong doubt ka dun eh. May doubt ka talaga.
Mm.
Pero sa ang ginawa ko na lang sir, talaga nung day na yon, sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, this is it. This is the day. Anong gagawin ko kako? Bumangon, prepare ang sarili ko, pumunta sa person view, at gawin ang best out of my best to to know kung tama ba itong isasagot ko. Babasahin ng maayos word per word yung mga questions. At then I will do my best to answer the right. At lagi yan sir ha, every question, ang sabi ko, Bismillah. God, please help me. Sana tama po ang aking nakuhang answer sa question na ito.
Nag-coffee na ba kayo na ma'am nung araw na yun?
Ay, sir, yan nga ang sinasabi. Nag-coffee po ako ng 4 a.m. Hindi na ulit ako makakapag-coffee. Alam niyo sir, bakit? Kasi sure yan. Alam niyo naman ang coffee, diuretics. Mag-CCR ka na. Mag-CCR may. Sabi ko, kailangan ko tapusin din ang effect nitong kapeng ito bago ako pumunta sa review, sa examination place. Then, that's it. Talagang coffee, sir. Must be. It's a must. And then really, I prayed the prayer that I kept with me. Uh, and then everything I ask really for the very last time I ask. Sabi ko, kayo na po. Basta ang sabi ko, kayo na po ang bahala sa akin. Kung ano man po ang gagawin ko ngayon. Alam ko kung ano yung, kung ano mangyayari, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sabi ko.
Thank you for sharing, Ma'am Ana. And with that, we would like to present to you your IPAS certificate. This certificate is proudly presented to Ana Liza Dinglasan for successfully passing the NCLEX RN examination. This serves as a proof that a successful candidate indicated in this certificate is a safe nurse based on the USA Standards of Nursing Practice, signed by Sir J. Padong and Sir Mark Zaspa. Congratulations, Ma'am Ana.
Thank you so much po, sir. Thank you din po sa time na ito.
Yes, Miss Ana. We really appreciate your time po dito sa Hope Talk. And for sure, marami po tayo na-inspire, nabigyan ng advice, no, sa mga classmates natin and motivation para sa kanila. And what would be
Maraming
your best advice, Ma'am Ana, no, sa mga students po who are watching right now or who still thinking if they're going to enroll with iPass online review? Ano po yung naitulong
sa
sa atin
students,
ni iPass online review sa NCLEX nila?
napakalaki sir actually ng naitulong. Kung sa naitulong, kumbaga, okay, I paid the iPass process, the academy, but it doesn't mean na yung binayad ko, you give me more than what I pay for you. Really, I'm so thankful for that. You deserve actually everything from us, lalo sa mga passers na katulad namin. Kasi nga, hindi lang nga yung kung ano yung nasa mind mo, yung binibigyan nyo, you're feeding us wholly. Parang we're like a baby, no? Binibigay niyong lahat sa amin. Although there are some other things na we cannot, hindi naman natin yung pwedeng makat along the way. But at the end of the day, it's how you helped us. Whatever it may be, it's how you help us from your side and for our side na maging student nyo. And also po, what I will tell you, regarding sa mga students, actually, no, wala naman talagang shortcut sa buhay. Ang buhay natin is what is this? We have to talagang dadaan tayo sa lahat ng trials at it's up to you kung paano yung tatanggapin, yung trials na yun sa buhay mo. At saka always put in mind na wag tayong magagalit kung ano man ang nangyari. Kasi ika nga being a mother and a parent na rin ngayon. Sabi ko nga rin sa mga anak ko, may plano ka anak, may plano din ako sa iyo. Yun ay plano nating dalawa. We are talking about that. Pero hindi natin alam kung ano ang plano ni God for you. Ganun ba? Ganun din sa mga students. Hindi natin alam. But once na lagi nating tatandaan, once na we have something na yung you prayed and you have it, like for example, first and foremost, the money. And then a review center that helps you. And a person who talks to you and give you something that uplift you, really there is something on that. So meaning to say, you are guided. Just work hard for it. So you will get the dream what you wanted. Kasi wala naman din na lahat na lang ibibigay sa iyo eh. You have to earn something. You have to work for that. Kasi masarap din yung bagay na na-receive mo na na-earn mo ng pinaghirapan mo.
Those are really great advices po, no? And words of encouragement, Ma'am Ana. But first of all, thank you po so much for trusting iPass Processing and iPass Online Review and Mentoring Academy in helping you achieve your American dream. But for those students, ma'am, naman po, ma'am, no? You are representing being a mom, as an
Uh-huh.
OFW, and lagi
Yeah.
natin binabanggit yung age. If kaya pa ba natin? Ano yung pwede nating sabihin para sa kanila?
Siguro yun bang lagi kasi nga, sabi ko nga, mahirap mang sabihin pero laging nangyayari. No? Kasi nga tao tayo eh. We are doubting really ourselves. At saka sometimes even there are person na nag-a-uplift sa iyo. At the end of the day, ikaw pa rin yun mag-a-absorb eh. Lagi tayong may doubt. Pero sabi ko nga po, when you doubt yourself, just pray. Kasi hindi ka naman ginawa ng Diyos para i-doubt lang ang self mo eh. You are born for a reason. And this is the reason. Yun.
Amazing. That's true, Ma'am Ana. And for those students who are watching right now, no, who are studying alone, and if you don't have someone to talk to, reach out to us. We are just one
Yes,
community. Di ba?
yes, opo. Opo,
Hindi kayo
talaga po.
nag-iisa
Alam
sa
niyo,
journey.
yeah. At saka be open. Kung anong nararamdaman mo, just give it. Voice it out. Lalo sa mga coaches, sa mga na talagang you can talk to them. They will give you time. They will give all their ears, their hearts to you, and they will give you really to you a uh, positive things na mag-uplift sa iyo. Sabi ko nung kung wala si Ma'am Tel noon, kasi siya ay nurse din, a
Mm.
mom. So she knows what I feel. Although she's younger, beyond younger than me. But really, it's not, I always, hindi naman ibig kong laging sabihin sa sarili ko na ako ay matanda sa kanila. I know. But really, you will learn for the young ones. But really, I'm so happy for that. For you people, actually. Really.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Ana, for sharing. Ang dami po nagbibigay ng hearts dito sa sa
So,
sa ating Zoom.
maraming salamat
Ramdam
po.
nila,
Maraming salamat po.
oo,
Opo, maraming salamat.
ramdam nila yung mensahe po na binibigay talaga natin. Oh, meron pa, may celebration.
Next time sila rin yan. At I hope na mapanood ko rin sila sa Hope Talk. Really, I'm looking forward. And I will give my celebration and my hearts to the group po.
Totoo
Yes, sir.
yan,
Sorry.
sinabi mo, ma'am, na sa mga nanonood ngayon, don't worry.
Yeah.
We're waiting for
Your
you,
time.
your time,
Yes,
to do the
your
Hope Talk
time will
naman.
come. Your time will come. Just work. At always mo sabihin na I did my best for this. And thanks God for that. Wag tayong maging big head actually. Now we are like this, we receive like this for being alone. No, you will never be alone. Somebody helped you. And be
Yeah,
thankful for it. Kasi
this is,
ililift kayo na higher pa pag humble kayo sa self ninyo.
that's true. That's
Yeah.
true. And ma'am, what do you think, ano po, this NCLEX po, change your life or your career?
Actually, career per se, okay, no? I am actually, I will not say na I am not settled here. So, because how many years I am here. But really, this is not for me myself. For me, I can stay here. But if I am single without a kid, You get me? This dream actually is because I'm dreaming for my family. I'm dreaming especially for my two kids. This is for them, for their future. Uh, this is my ultimate dream for them. At least if I will give them something, I can help them to reach, yeah, the good things that they can have. Then I can give this NPLEX for them. With my help, I can bring them, inshallah, if God will provide. If God will answer my prayer, really, inshallah, I can bring them with me. Again, actually, sir, because before they are with me here in Saudi Arabia, they are born here.
Ma'am, we
So
are so
I
grateful
hope,
to have you talaga dito sa Hope Talk natin, no? We really want to extend our heart sa inyo. Again, kahit tapos na NCLEX, we are just here for you. And your iPass family is here. Again, congratulations on passing your NCLEX. You really
maraming
deserve
salamat
this
po
one.
sa inyo. Maraming
Um,
salamat. Hindi ko po kayo makakalimutan, iPass family. You're a family nga. Ika nga. Family is a family. Until the end.
Continue to celebrate this achievement, ma'am, even though medyo few months back. But again, this is just the beginning of your bright
Yes.
future.